Hi friends, my name is Usman, and in today's video training we are going to look in Python list in detail. Before we get started, I would like to share a quick concept called unpacking lists. If you have a collection in a list or tuple, Python allows you to extract the values into variables. This is called unpacking. Okay, let's see this in action. Let's run the code. Okay, exploring list. Okay, you can see that we have unpacked the list into three variables x, y, and z, and I have printed these variables separately. So we have banana, apple, and cherry. This concept is called unpacking. Lists are one of four built-in data types in Python used to store collections of data. The other three are set, tuple, and dictionary. Lists are created using square brackets. As you can see, we have already created lists of fruits containing banana, apple, and cherry. Let's print the list. Okay, and let's run the program, and you can see we have the list printed out: banana, apple, and cherry. Note that the lists are ordered, and when we say ordered, we mean that the items have a defined order, and that order will not change. If you add new items to the list, the new items will be placed at the end of the list. The list is changeable. It means that we can add, remove, and change items once the list has been created. Since lists are indexed, lists can have items with the same value. Let's see an example. Let me add a duplicate in this existing list. So we have an apple before, so add an apple again and run the program, and let's see, run exploring list. You can see we have banana, apple, cherry, and apple. So we have duplicates. To determine how many items a list has, we can use a len function for that. So let's try that. Print len fruits and run our program, and you can see we have 4. So we have 4 items in the list: 1, 2, 3, 4. List can be of any data type, so we can have numbers equal 1, 8, 9, 1, 6, 8, 10, and we can have Boolean list, so we can have true, false, false, and true. And let's print these lists, and numbers, print boolean list, and let's run it. And okay, oh my bad, so the first should be a capital letter in true or false. Okay, now it should be all right, so let's run it. Okay, now you can see we have all the 3 lists: the string list, the numbers list, and the boolean list. Okay, similarly, a single list can contain numbers, strings, and boolean value. So we have banana as a string. Let's add a number, let's add a boolean value, and let's add a string again. So okay, let's add apple and run. Let's print the list and run the program. Okay, run shift F10. Okay, banana 15, true, and apple. From Python's perspective, lists are defined as objects of type list. Let's print the type of the list and let's run the program. And okay, you can see it has returned class list. So the list is an object of data type lists. It is also possible to use the list constructor for constructing a new list. So apple, banana, cherry, and let's print the list here, and you can see we have apple, banana, and cherry. List items are indexed and we can access them with the index number. So let's see, if I want to access the second value in the list objects, so I'll print 1, print fruits and 1, and run the program. Run exploring list. So I have banana because banana is the second element in the list. Lists also support negative indexing. -1 refers to the last item and -2 refers to the second last item. Lists also support negative indexing, which means that we can also negative index in the list subset, and -1 means the last item in the list, -2 means second last item in the list. So if I type in fruits -1 and run the program, you see we have cherry, which is the last item in the list. So, and if I type in -2, it will print banana, which is second last item in the list. You can also specify the range of the list indexes by giving the starting number and the ending index number, and let's create a little bigger array. I mean a little big list. Okay, so we have the list here. Okay, what if we want to print the items between 2 and 4? Okay, you can see program had given us output of cat and dog. So cat is at number 3 and dog is at number 4. So we can use range as well. What if you want to exclude some value from the list while printing the list items? So if you want to ignore the second value, which is banana, so we can type in colon and the index number, which is 1 for banana, and if we run the program, so if we type in :3, it will print the values from 0, 1, 2, 3 index, and it will ignore rat. Cat, dog, and rat, sorry. So if we have 4, then it will print apple, banana, cat, and dog. What if you want to start from index 3 and index 4 0 1, yeah, index 4, and print the last two values. So you can give 3 colon and it will give you the last two values, dog and rat. And if we make it 2, and it will give you cat, dog and rat, as you can see in the output. What if you want to find a value and you want to check if the value exists in the list or not? We can do this easily by using a keyword called in. So let's say if we want to check if banana is present in the list or not. If banana in our list, print yes, banana is in our list. Okay, now run the program and you can see yes, banana is in our list. So basically it's helpful if you are looking for a value in the list and you want to make sure it exists in the list. Okay, let's see how you can change the value at a specific index in the list. So if you want to change the value of cat 0 1 2 and replace it with, let's say, crocodile, and let's print the list again after this operation, and you can see apple, banana, crocodile, dog and rat. So this statement have changed the value of cat with crocodile. What if we want to add two values starting from cat and replacing cat as well? So we have crocodile and we have giraffe, and let's close this and run the program again. So okay, you can see we have apple, banana, crocodile, giraffe, dog and rat. We can also add and insert values in the list at certain index. So let's say we want to place a new value, mango, at index 2, and let's print our list. And okay, it's our list dot insert and run it again. Okay, you can see we have inserted new value mango at index 2 and it has shifted cat, dog and rat to the right. To add an item at the end of the list, you can use append method. So let's do that and run our program, and you can see we have added mango, which has been placed at the end of the list. So basically what append does, it add the new value to the list to the very end. Okay, what if we have two lists, one for the fruits and animals and second one for vegetable, so potato, and we want to join list 1 with list 2. For that we use the extend function of the list, and our list 2 print our list, and let's run the program. Okay, you can see we have joined the two lists into one. So we have apple, banana, cat, dog, rat, onion, potato. An important point about the extend method of list is that it's not only limited to lists. You can add any iterable data structure of Python, like the set, tuple, or dictionaries. So let's add a tuple, and we have, let's say, New York, we have Washington, and let's extend our list with our tuple and run the program, and you can see we have extended our list and included a tuple within the list. Okay, let's see if we want to remove a value from the list. Okay, so it's pretty simple. There's a method called remove, and just pass the value, let's say dog, and print our list. Okay, and run our program. So you can see the remove method have removed the dog value from the list, and the left values are 4 in number. Okay, what if we want to remove a specific value with an index number? So let's say 2, and run our program. Okay, there shouldn't be square brackets, there should be parentheses. Okay, and run the program again. Okay, you can see we have removed cat from the list using the pop method. Okay, let's see how to remove the last item in the list. It's simply our list.pop. Just remove the index from the pop method of list and run the program again. So you can see we have removed rat, which was the last item in the list. Okay, now let's remove the first item from the list, index 0, and we run the program again. You can see we have removed apple, which was at index 0 in the list. This was done by using del keyword and passing the list object and the index number. The del keyword can also remove the complete list as well. So it's just del our list, and this will remove the entire list. There's also a clear method for lists. This just clears the list but doesn't delete the list, it just empties the list. So as you can see, we have an empty list here with square brackets. Now let's look at how we can list down values using loops. You can use a for loop, print x. You can see we have printed out the values using the for loop each line. You can also loop through the list items by referring to their index numbers. Let's use the range and list functions to create a suitable iterable. For x in range, parenthesis, length, run the program. List objects have a sort method that will sort the list in alphanumerical order. So let's just mix up the values so they are not in alphabetical order. Let's place cat at the end. A simple operation, our list dot sort, and you can print our list. You can see we have an ordered list output: apple, banana, cat, dog, and rat in ascending order. Same is true for numbers. So let's create a list with numbers that are not in order, and our list, and okay, let's print it. You can see we have an ordered list in ascending order: 2, 5, 10, 20, 50. What if you want to sort the list in descending order? So for that we just need to pass a parameter to the sort function. Reverse is equal to true, and let's run this program. You can see we have the list in descending order: 50, 20, 10, 5 and 2. There's also an option in Python to have a customized sort function. You can also customize your own function by using the keyword argument key equals function. The function will return the number that will be used to sort the list. So let's create a function. Just listing the numbers that are greater than 50, and here you can pass the function as an argument. Okay, now let's run the program. So you can see that our custom sorting function that was passed as an argument to the sort function has deducted 50 from each number and sorted the array. Case sensitive string lists can give an unexpected results. Let's see this in action. Banana, cherry, apple and kiwi. Our list dot sort, print our list. You see we have apple, cherry, banana. Banana should have been at the second place, but due to the case sensitivity, the list wasn't ordered properly. Okay, to work around this, we can pass the parameter in the sort function key equals str.lower, and let's run the program again. Okay, you can see we have sorted the list in proper order: apple, banana, cherry and kiwi. Okay, let's see if we want to copy the list into another list. So we have a list, our list, and let's create another list. New list equals our list dot copy, and print the new list and run the program. You can see we have copied the list into the new list, and the values have been copied as well. Another way to make a copy is to use the built-in function list and pass in the source list, and this does the same thing. That's it. Okay, let's see how to join two different lists, our list and our list 2, onion and potato. Our list 3 is equal to our list 2, and print our list 3. Run the program. You can see we have successfully joined two lists into a third list called our list.3. In this video tutorial, we have covered all the aspects of Python list object, and I have tried to make it simple and easier to understand and implement. So let's see you in the next training video of Python. Okay, take care, bye.